Hey beautiful people, let's unwind and get ready for the work week. 6 months post-grad, I am now a PR international communication specialist, and I like to just reset on Sundays to get my mind ready for work. First, I'm starting off by removing any makeup as much as possible before getting in the shower with the makeup remover wipe. And today I'm going to be using clean beauty products from Nordstrom that I was gifted. And what exactly is clean beauty? Clean beauty refers to cosmetic products that are created without synthetic chemicals and ingredients that could irritate or harm your skin. So ingredients like parabens, phtalates, I hope I'm pronouncing that the right way, or any synthetic fragrances that may irritate you or your skin. I've been rocking braids for a couple weeks now. As you can see, lots of new growth. So I'm just going to put that in a low bun and put a bonnet on. And one thing I will say that I've loved about having braids so far is that it's amazing to not have to tend to your hair every few days. Like, it is godsend. I will definitely be doing this again soon, especially in the hot summer months. The first clean beauty products that I'm using is by Sprays. It's vegan and plant-based, and in the scent is cocoa mango, and it smells so good. It comes with a body wash, a body butter, and a body scrub. Next, I have another body butter that I decided to use by OKae, and it's their Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. And then I'll hop in the shower, and I love using this exfoliating pad. So after I bathe, I go in with the shower gel. Look, all of that suds. Then I want to show you guys a demo of this body scrub. First of all, I love that it comes with a little spatula in it. And I also use the same little exfoliating sponge to go in with my scrub. And I like my scrub to be a little abrasive. So just to show you guys how this is looking, I love that it has like the oils that literally repel. You see that? Amazing. Plant-based and vegan. So then I'm just going to go in, brush my teeth, wash my face, move my braids out my face with my large scrunchie. Y'all know I love my satin scrunchie. I love this so much. You literally need to get this in the set, especially if you have curly hair, because it's bomb if you're going to put your hair in a pineapple at night. Next, I'm going in and washing my face. I've been keeping it pretty simple lately with my Kiehl's Ultra Face Cleanser. I love this. This is amazing for any skin type, y'all. Like, this has really kept my breakouts pretty much under control, because I have had a few in the past few weeks, and it just keeps everything at bay. Next, I'm going in with my First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, and this is to exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin, which is perfect for any blemish or dark spots you may have on your face. It's alcohol-free and safe for sensitive skin. Sometimes I do use this twice a day, especially if I get oily throughout the day and decide to not wear any makeup, just to make sure that I'm keeping my skin or any breakouts at bay. And next, I'm just going to moisturize before bed. So instead of going with the body butter that came with my sprays set, I decided to go with the OKae body butter. And it's a vegan body butter with hyaluronic acid that helps restore skin and provides long-lasting hydration with a fast absorbing whipped texture. Y'all, this is like a light, airy body butter, and it smells so good. It's almost like a sweet coconut milk scent, and I really like it, and a little goes a long way. And I definitely noticed that the moment I put it on my skin, I had to go ahead and put it on the other leg, because one for one leg was like a little too much. But that's good, because that lets me know this product is going to last me a good minute, and it feels amazing. Some other clean beauty products I was gifted from Nordstrom would be this Brio Gio Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Now obviously I have braids, but as soon as I take these out, I will be using this. And it's Black woman owned, y'all, so I'm super excited about that. And next I have another hair care set that happens to be co-owned by Issa Rae herself, and this is the Issa Rae's Wash Day Ritual by Sienna Naturals, and this is a vegan hair care set, so I am super excited to use this as well. As soon as I take my braids out, when I bring my curls back, I will definitely be doing a demo on this product set as well. And before I go to bed, I do like to move all my pillows to one side. Comment down below if you have a lot of pillows and only sleep on one side of your bed. I also like to go on my laptop, go through any emails, send any emails, make to-do lists for the week, and I do like to shop online a little bit before bed. I don't know why, but it's like the perfect time for me. And that is pretty much all I do when I get ready for the work week. All the clean beauty products that was gifted by Nordstrom will be in the description box down below. Let me know if you guys like to use clean beauty products and if you're ready for me to use some of those hair products in my next videos when I bring my curls back. Talk to you guys in another video. Bye!